Good morning, students. I hope you all are keeping fine. Today I am going to teach English grammar of class 4th from your new book. So, let's discuss the first chapter in your grammar book, which is alphabetical order. I could not take up this first chapter before because you know that English language book has got changed. So in your old book this chapter is not there, but in your new book this is your first chapter. We all know that in English alphabet we have 26 letters starting from A till Z, and combination of these letters are used to make the different words that we have in the English language. We need to understand what do we mean by alphabetical order. When words are arranged in the order or sequence of letters in the alphabet, that is A to Z, then the words are said to be in alphabetical order. I hope alphabetical order is clear to you. Now let's do the exercises from your book, page number 9. Write each set of words in alphabetical order. Words are given here, and let's first read the words: umbrella, yacht, anchor, beach. What we have to do? We have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. So first will come anchor, second beach, third umbrella, fourth yacht, and the next one, first we'll read the words back, bench, brother, bother. So first word will come back, second bench, third bother, and fourth brother. So you have to do as I have done first and second one. You can do it C and D and E also in your notebook only. I hope this is clear to you. And the next exercise is second, make a list of 6 words related to summer season and write them in the alphabetical order. Examples are given here. You have to do this both the questions in your rough copy, not in the book. I hope this is clear to you. This is your homework. Now we'll move on to next chapter, that is the sentence chapter 2. I hope you remember the definition of sentence. In my previous video, I had explained to you the definition of sentence, and today I am not going to explain the definition of sentence. We will directly move on to the exercises of this lesson. So let's see the exercise 1 from your page 11. Exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable subjects. What you have to do? You have to fill in the blanks with suitable subjects. First one, I play cricket every day. Answer I have given here, I. Second, my mother always takes good care of me. Answer, my mother. Third, the rats like to catch mice. Answer is here. Fourth, this is a lovely picnic spot. Answer, this. Fifth, they had their house painted. Answer, they. Sixth, Manoj is moving to a new school. Answer, Manoj. Seventh, the trees shed their leaves in winters. Answer, the trees. Eighth, the garden is full of flowers. Answer is the garden. I hope this exercise is clear to you. You can write it in your book itself. Now we'll move on to next exercise, that is complete these sentences with suitable predicates. I have given you the answers here itself. I will be reading and you can look in your book, and after that you can write down in the book itself. First one, Mr. Singh is a banker. Answer is here. Second, watching too much television is harmful for the eyes. Answers are given to you here. Third, the pencil box is new. Fourth, my uncle lives in Canada. Fifth, holidays will begin next week. Sixth, the horses are strong and swift. Seventh, Mumbai is the commercial capital of India. Eighth, the classroom is spacious and neat. I think this is clear to you. Now we'll move on to next exercises, that is fun with colors from your book page number 12. Let's read the question first. In the following sentences, underline the subjects in blue color and the predicates in green color. I hope this question is clear to you. Subject you have to underline with blue and predicate you have to underline with green color. So first one, Chetan Bhagat is a good writer. I have already underlined here. You can see and you can underline in your book itself. Chetan Bhagat is a subject. Is a good writer is a predicate. Second, Bill Gates is a computer wizard. Bill Gates is a subject. Is a computer wizard will be predicate. Third, the CD is a modern invention. The CD subject and is a modern invention predicate. Fourth, rabbits have very sharp teeth. Rabbits subject, have very sharp teeth predicates. Fifth, we saw snowfall in Shimla. We is a subject, so snowfall in Shimla will be predicate. Sixth, Rachna has a new badminton racket. Rachna is a subject, has a new badminton racket will be predicate. Seventh one, Venus and Mars are planets. Venus and Mars will be subject, are planets will be predicate. Eighth, birds fly to warmer places in winter. Birds is a subject, fly to warmer places in winter is a predicate. You underlined in your book only. Now we'll move on to next exercise. Divide the following sentences into subjects and predicates. You have to divide here and write it here. Okay, here you write subject and this side write predicate. So first, Mala is a clever girl. Here you write Mala is a clever girl, predicate will be here. And second, a watch is a smaller than a clock. A watch, you write here second number, is smaller than a clock, you write it here. And third one, a tree has roots and branches. A tree subject, has roots and branches predicate. Fourth, ripe bananas have yellow skin. Ripe bananas subject, have yellow skin is a predicate. Fifth, somebody is knocking at the door. Somebody here subject and knocking at the door will be predicate. Vinay helped the blind man. Vinay is a subject, helped the blind man will be predicate. I hope these exercises are clear to you. Now we'll see the last exercise from chapter 2 from page number 12. Match each subject with its predicate. First one, the jet airplane. Answer, flew high in the sky. Second, the ink spilled all over the paper. Third, the ball came in through the window. Fourth, my doctor is a kind old gentleman. Fifth, this rocking chair belongs to my grandmother. Sixth, breakfast is the first meal of the day. Seventh, a cold wind was blowing. Eighth, Ria lives in a big house. I have written the number here. You also can write it in your book. I hope today's exercises are clear to you. Thank you. God bless you all.